Here we have a Nintendo Switch that came in for repair. We already disassembled the board, and something struck me right in the face. A very shiny object right under the USB-C connector. Another Hiroshima. I had recently had someone try to repair my switch for the issue of a faulty power port and my system not charging. Needless to say, it still is in a state of disrepair. Let's take a look. Holy moly. What the? Look at this. Just apply one big solder blob and call it off for the day. Why solder pin by pin? Why bother? And don't forget to solder. Put a blob here and a blob here for extra strength. Let's apply flux. We're gonna desolder the port. Let's remove as much solder as we can. And did we desolder that fuse? It's still there. Sign and name? Oh, of course. Bye-bye. Connector is out. And I hope we do not have any missing pads. I hope. And I do not believe we have any missing pads. We still have unleaded solder on the board, so let's mix it with leaded. That will make the wicking process a lot easier. Low melt is the best, but for this one, it's not a big deal. The board is not 10 layers, so not a lot of thermal mass. See? You have to know your boards. Let's cut the braid. Flip the board. And finish off the wicking process from the back. We still have unleaded. And leaded does help. It's not like low melt, but it will work here. Let's prep the pads. And we can use our NF.mini pen. Wow. The NF.mini pen, along with those premium tips, such an amazing pen. If you're a hobbyist or you are in the same type of business and you do not already have one, you can log into our website, NorthridgeFix.com, click on shop. We sell everything from soldering stations, hot air stations, thermal cameras, power supplies, flux, original Amtech flux, solder wires, tweezers, everything. Just add to cart, check out, pay, and we almost always ship out same day. I'm just curious to know if you have a short circuit anywhere on the board. Now that we have the connector out, I just want to quickly go over the M92 area. Do we have a short here? We do not. We do not. And we do not. So very likely that our M92 is good. Our P13 is good. And if we go to our BQ chip, we do not have a short anywhere. Perfect. And let's go ahead and solder that connector. And just a minute. Interruptions. 6,000 interruptions a minute. The pins are solid. Every single pin is solid. Let me solder back of the board. and we're done. Yeah. Wait. And now all we have to do is plug in a battery and try it. Are we gonna get a working board? And one way to know if that board is working is by looking at the charging station. We're gonna plug in the cable. I already have the battery. We see 12 volts, 0.4 amps, and we wanna see it drop down. Yes, 9 volts at 0.7 amps. Awesome. The board is working. And we did it. I'm gonna hand the board over to Big Boss to assemble and test, and I'll be back to finish the video. Big Boss reassembled the switch, and I have zero doubts it will work. Right there. Perfect. Thank you, Big Boss. Last repair for the day. We are done. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. Leave it down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll do something else in the next video.